Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Korean pork chops. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a bowl. We're going to mix the sauce to go over our pork chops. I'm going to start with some soy sauce. And I use the reduced sodium soy sauce, guys, because it's so salty. I'm going to put in about a half a cup. And I'm just eyeballing. That's about the rest of that bottle. Get rid of that. I have honey here. I'm going to add in 4 teaspoons of honey. And guys, wheat goes good with pork, so it's going to be really good. Alright. I'm also going to add in 4 teaspoons of ginger. This is ginger paste. I got this at Aldi's. You could also use fresh ginger that you grate up. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of that in. Stir that together. Now I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. And guys, this really adds that good Asian flavor to your recipes. And I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce. And I got to open this up, guys. Alright, now I'm going to add in 6 healthy teaspoons of diced up garlic. You could also use fresh garlic. If you use fresh, use about 12 cloves. I think this is 6. I lost count, guys, but we'll make that work. I'm just going to mix my sauce together here and set it aside for just now. Alright guys, now I have my skillet heating up, and I'm going to add some olive oil in there. Have to coat the bottom of the skillet. And I have some center cut pork chops. I'm going to get them in here and I'm going to fry them till they're golden brown on both sides. We're not cooking them through just yet. We're just browning them up. Alright guys, now that I have my pork chops all browned up, I have my heat off at the moment. I'm going to add that sauce in we made in the beginning of the video. I'm just going to dump it over the chops. And you just want to spread it around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this on low heat for about 10 or 15 minutes till that sauce thickens up a little bit and it really absorbs into the chops. Alright guys, my pork chops were done. I pulled them out and set them aside to rest, and I turned the heat up a little bit to thicken up that sauce. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some sweet and sour rice to go with this, and I made green beans, and I garnished with a little bit of sesame seed. Let me get in there and try that chop. And I served a little bit of that sauce over top of the chop. You can see my chops are cooked through. It's really good, tender. You get that good Asian flavor. Guys, those are really good and they weren't that hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Korean pork chops. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.